friends, welcome to my channel Tech Talk with Sunil, and my name is Sunil. So in this video we'll see how we can fix the black screen issue for the OBS software. So I have installed OBS and I have two displays, but neither of my displays are displaying anything. So I just see this big black screen. So let's see how can we resolve this issue. The first thing, go to the search bar at the bottom left of your screen and type graphics settings, GRAPHICS, and in the best match you should see graphics settings and click on this. So once you click on this, you'll be on this window. From this window we have to choose an app to set a preference. So OBS is a desktop app, so let's go with the desktop app and select desktop app and click on browse. So once we click on browse, a other window should pop up and you should directly be on the OBS studio. So if you are not directly here, don't worry. So it will be always under the C folder. Go to your C folder, under C folder, program files, and search for the OBS and click on OBS studio and click on the bin. And if it's a 64-bit for me, so it's displaying 64. If it's a 32-bit, you will see a 32-bit here and click on the 64 or 32-bit, like whichever you see it. And from here click on the OBS. So once you click that, like you should see under the desktop app, you should see OBS studio and click on the options. So the options here, we can set our graphics preference, so the performance of the graphics. So we have three options here: let Windows decide, power saving, and high performance. So I go with the power savings. So if you are recording high graphic or games, so it's better to go with high performance. So I always go with the power saving and just click save. And once everything is set up, just close this window and also close the OBS and restart. Tada, this should fix our issue. So I have two displays and now it's capturing my two displays. Hopefully this video should resolve the black screen issue, and thank you for watching this video. And if you like this video, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.